Hello and welcome to your Biological Sciences course. I am Professor Fernando Febres. The purpose of this video is to help you navigate this course and become acquainted with this website. The first thing I am going to do is take you to the syllabus. If you click on your syllabus, please know that your book for this course is called Biology, the Core. This is your second edition. Um, there is the course description in there, and as you scroll down, please pay attention to the no-show deadline policy. You need to review these whole syllabus and email me back acknowledging that you read and understood the syllabus by September 4th. If you do not do this, the no-show drop period begins on September 5th, and I will have to drop you from the course. Another important date is the withdrawal from this course date. Please note it's November 9. Let's go over the grading policy for this course. Please understand for this course there are 4 exams. There is 7 quizzes. We have a total of 11 classwork activities that you must complete before you attempt to actually complete your quizzes and or exam. And there is a final exam for which you will have to go to the Osceola Campus Testing Center. I'm sorry. This final exam is going to be proctored, and it has to be taken at the testing center on the Osceola campus. To navigate this course, let's go back to the home page. And you will actually go to modules. So all of your classwork and exams and quizzes and classwork activities are arranged by modules. Please notice for this first week, all you have to do is begin reading the lecture notes for the first chapter. You need to go in and engage in the week 1 discussion. This is an introduction type of discussion. It's for you to introduce to your classmates, let them know who you are, and they can know who you are, and so you can help each other. And then after that, make sure that once again you actually, this important reminder right here is reminding you to please email me that acknowledgement that you read and understood the syllabus. You will begin with your first quiz during week 2, and that will open actually on September 2nd. But for right now, please just become acquainted with your book. Go to the bookstore, buy the access code for the Mastering Biology, which you will then use it to go in here, My Lab and Mastering. And yours will look a little bit different at the beginning. It will actually give you instructions for you to enter the access code and gain access to the book. That's pretty much it I have for you right now. Please, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to email me. My email address is febres@valenciacollege.edu. This is the best way to communicate with me, and I will always answer you back within 24 hours, if not sooner. Once again, welcome. It's going to be fun. And I hope that you learn a lot of biology. Thank you.